Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We haven't been posting for a while, but we're back with more content and many good things. So before we start, let's take a quick recap of what we learned in the last video. As we've seen, Indagihe y'ubusanzwe, Indagihe y'aka kanya, it is present tense in English. So starting with the first example, I'm a good cook means ndi umutetsi mwiza in Kinyarwanda. Ndi umutetsi mwiza. The second one is Muhizi is at school. In Kinyarwanda it's Muhizi ari kwishuri. Muhizi ari kwishuri. We don't say ku ishuri, we say kwishuri. Another two examples in present continuous tense are when you want to say I'm going home, you say ndi kujya mu rugo. Ndi kujya mu rugo. And the second one is Peter is reading a book. In Kinyarwanda is Peter ari gusoma igitabo. Peter ari gusoma igitabo. A fun fact, as we know that Peter is a name, but you can make it sound more Kinyarwanda if I can say that. So that would be Petero. You can say Petero ari gusoma igitabo instead of saying Peter. So today we are going to see how to use present perfect tense, which is Indagihe mbarankuru. So let's start. For example, if you want to say I've been looking for you, you say narindi kugushaka. Narindi kugushaka. Where narindi is I have been, kugushaka is looking for you. And the second example is I've lived in America. Nabaye muri Amerika. Nabaye muri Amerika. Where nabaye is I've lived in muri America. America. Here we have 4 examples. Pause the video and put each sentence in Kinyarwanda, and we'll see the answers together after. The first one is Paul has been painting since morning. In Kinyarwanda it is Paul yashushanyaga guhera mu gitondo. Paul yashushanyaga guhera mu gitondo. Breaking down the sentence, Paul is Paul and has been painting is yashushanyaga, and guhera it is since, mu gitondo is morning. The second one is they have been there for 10 minutes. It is bamaze iminota icumi hariya. Where bamaze is they have been iminota icumi, it's 10 minutes, and hariya is there. The third example is Annette has been crying the whole evening, which is Annette yariraga umugoroba wose. Where Annette, it's Annette, and yariraga is has been crying. Umugoroba it's evening, and wose it's the whole. The last but not least is I haven't been working for 2 months, which is maze amezi abiri ntakora. So this one is tricky. So let's start with amezi abiri, which is 2 months, and ntakora is working but with the not haven't working. Maze is to indicate that it is me who have spent that time. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video. Please remember to click the subscribe button and the bell button too. And if there's any suggestions or anything you would like to share with us, please don't hesitate to put it in the comment section.